In the center of the Pacific Ocean lies the largest multi-environment, instrumented, testing, and training range in the world. The Pacific Missile Range Facility, PMRF. PMRF supports the full spectrum of research and development, armed forces training and tactics development, and weapons systems test and evaluation. This facility has over 30 years' experience in supporting training and test and evaluation. PMRF headquarters and primary operations center resides on 1,800 acres located at Barking Sands on the western shore of the island of Kauai. Supporting instrumentation sites located at Makaha Ridge, Kokee Park, and Ni'ihau overlook the vast sea test range. Operational range areas encompass 42,000 square miles of ocean to the west and north of Kauai. Being far from the major population centers, the range is not burdened by encroachment from commercial aircraft, commercial shipping, or land developers. The RF spectrum is comparatively open, providing excellent opportunities for testing in both clear and hostile RF environments. Interference from influences outside of test parameters is almost non-existent. Just south of the Tropic of Cancer, PMRF enjoys a mild tropical climate. Prevailing conditions are warm days with light trade winds. PMRF averages 361 VFR flying days per year. The range's remote location and ideal climate translate to a near certain chance of successfully completing your operation when initially scheduled. The Pacific Missile Range, a range with minimal encroachment, where live fire training and testing can take place on, over, and beneath the sea. A range whose instrumentation systems can handle anything from a routine operation for a single aircraft, ship, or submarine to multi-target, multi-participant joint operations as large as RIMPAC or tandem thrust. A single point of contact will be assigned to work closely with your project team. That program manager will transform the test requirements into a range support plan that ensures the delivery of high-quality data products. The staff and facilities are flexible, capable, and affordable. Since 1958, PMRF has completed over 6,000 major training and testing operations. PMRF operates and maintains a state-of-the-art instrumentation suite and is the only range in the world where subsurface, surface, airborne, and space vehicles can be tracked simultaneously. 12 radars, strategically located, combine to provide surveillance, IFF, and high-precision tracking at short and long ranges. Radar coverage of surface contacts extends out 95 nautical miles from Barking Sands. Over-the-horizon tracking is provided by the Cooperative Tracking System, which can utilize GPS. The Cooperative Tracking System provides accuracies to within 5 meters on participants up to 200 nautical miles from Barking Sands. Underwater tracking is accomplished by a hydrophone array mounted to the ocean floor. This array encompasses over 1,000 square miles of ocean, where water depths range from 1,200 to 16,000 feet. Up to 12 subsurface contacts can be tracked simultaneously. The key to accurate data for T&E is quality telemetry. PMRF has 6 telemetry signal trackers. There are 30 dual-channel receivers at Makaha Ridge and 2 dual-channel receivers at Kokee Park. Real-time track and telemetry data is recorded and displayed. Raw test data may be reduced or processed into a variety of user-specified formats in our post-operational data reduction facility. PMRF features 5 independent control rooms, enabling multiple customers to operate concurrently in different range areas. PMRF range control surveils and clears all hot range areas to ensure maximum safety. All participants, targets, and weapons are monitored from launch to impact. PMRF's local area communications network utilizes fiber optic cables to ensure clean, reliable information exchange. The digital microwave system linking PMRF and Oahu is the longest over-water microwave link in the world. This link, developed to support T&E programs, is an excellent example of a system which also benefits Armed Forces training. PMRF's communication network, utilizing multiple pathways, provides the capability to interconnect with T&E facilities and command staffs worldwide. Real-time track and telemetry data and full motion video can be electronically transferred to your facility. Radio communication systems available include a full complement of clear and secure HF, VHF, and UHF communication systems. The PMRF Battle Management Interoperability Center, or BMIC, contains the operational command and control systems necessary to communicate and coordinate the complex activities involved in live fire training and T&E operations. BMIC serves as a bridge between tactical and strategic level training. Joint Task Force commanders can access, display, and disseminate tactical information via the OT6 and TADIXIS nets. Imagery can be accessed and disseminated utilizing commercial communication lines and STU-3 encryption. Target services available at the Pacific Missile Range include subsurface, surface, and airborne varieties. Targets can be augmented with scoring systems, emitters, or flares to meet target requirements. Military units often serve as cooperative mobile targets to provide a realistic presentation for non-firing events. PMRF has developed an electronic warfare capability to meet all service requirements. EW assets may be located throughout the Hawaiian Islands to simulate threat radars and emitters for joint exercises, training, and system development operations. EW assets can be utilized for ships in port or at sea, for aircraft on the ramp or in the air, and for the troops in the field. Photo and video systems at PMRF enable the collection of still photo, high-speed motion picture, and video data. Cameras are gyro-stabilized for maximum quality and can be utilized from airborne or surface platforms. Video data can be linked in real time back to the Range Operations Center and to customer facilities located worldwide. The Pacific Missile Range facility is responding to the new direction and priorities established by the administration, Congress, and the Department of Defense. DoD's systems development, test, acquisition, and training processes are changing. new efficiencies are being sought. Capitalizing on new and affordable technologies, PMRF is continuously improving existing products, systems, and processes. PMRF is expanding its capability to apply virtual and constructive simulation to enhance testing and training realism. Utilizing a combination of established connectivity and commercial communication, PMRF is interconnecting with range customers to enable real-time test analysis and control from remote sites. PMRF is interconnecting with other ranges, laboratories, and simulation facilities to enable integration of live range data into distributed, interactive operations. Supporting the development of the global C4I information network, the Pacific Missile Range is actively participating in the Standard Tactical Data Network interoperability demonstrations. In the Pacific, PMRF is the lead range for Aegis Combat System ship qualification training. New Aegis cruisers and destroyers are put through extensive testing and training prior to the initial deployment. Co-located with the Sandia National Laboratory Kauai Test Facility, the Pacific Missile Range is the lead range for launching the Strategic Target System. The Ballistic Missile Defense Organization is using the Strategic Target System to improve existing area defense sensors. No other range has the geographic expanse necessary to support wide area defense sensor and cooperative engagement capability testing. The Pacific Missile Range Facility, the largest multi-environment instrumented testing and training range in the world, offers a state-of-the-art instrumentation and communication suite, features 42,000 square miles of sea test range, and enables both open ocean and littoral warfare training. Unburdened by encroachment and blessed with an ideal climate, PMRF is uniquely capable of handling anything from a single unit operation to a multi-threat, multi-participant, multinational free play exercise. You can do it all in one place. With over 30 years of experience providing effective services from program inception through implementation across every dimension from the ocean floor to outer space. The Pacific Missile Range Facility. Truly, the range of possibilities.